Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Deployment on Cloud Platforms. Scaling your models. Congratulations! You've gone through the process of training an AI model, like a super smart prediction machine or a creative text generator. It's a fantastic achievement, but right now, it's probably just a file or some code on your computer. How do you let everyone else in the world use it, just like they use a website or an app on their phone? That's where AI deployment comes in. Think of it like this. You've baked a magnificent, delicious cake. That's your AI model. Deployment is like opening a bakery, a professional setup where people can come, order a slice, and enjoy your cake. In the tech world, deployment means making your AI model available for others to interact with, usually through an application, a website, or another service. It's about turning your awesome AI creation into something practical and usable for real people. Your laptop is like a small kitchen. It's perfect for baking one cake for yourself. But what if 1,000 people suddenly want a slice of your AI cake? All at the same time? Your laptop would quickly get overwhelmed and slow down, or even crash. This is where cloud platforms come in. Think of them as massive, global, super kitchens owned by big tech companies, like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. They offer incredible computing power, storage, and tools over the internet, far beyond what any single laptop can provide. These super kitchens, cloud platforms, bring several crucial advantages for deploying your AI. Less than all, greater than less than li, greater than less than b, greater than always on. Less than b, greater than your AI is available 24/7. Just like popular websites. Less than li, greater than less than li, greater than less than b, greater than reliability. Less than b, greater than cloud platforms are designed to be extremely stable, meaning your AI is less likely to crash or go offline. Less than li, greater than less than li, greater than less than b, greater than global reach. Less than b, greater than people from anywhere in the world can access your AI application. Less than li, greater than less than li, greater than less than b, greater than less maintenance. Less than b, greater than you don't have to worry about buying, maintaining, or powering physical servers. The cloud provider handles all the kitchen upkeep. This frees you up to focus on improving your AI. Less than li, greater than less than ul, greater than. Imagine your bakery becomes incredibly popular overnight, and suddenly millions of people want your cake. You'd need to scale up, add more ovens, hire more bakers, buy more ingredients, all on demand, so no one is left waiting. In AI, scaling means making sure your model can handle a few users, hundreds, thousands, or even millions of users without slowing down, breaking, or becoming too expensive. It's about gracefully adapting to increasing or decreasing demand for your AI's services. Cloud platforms are specifically designed for scaling. They have a superpower called elasticity or autoscaling. This means they can automatically add more computing power, more ovens or servers, when demand for your AI surges, and then automatically reduce that power when demand drops. You only pay for what you use. It's like your super kitchen automatically expanding and shrinking based on how many cakes are ordered, ensuring efficiency and responsiveness without you having to manually adjust anything. As a developer, your job is to learn how to package your AI model. Put your cake in a special container that the cloud understands. Then set up the bakery counter on the cloud. This involves using services like serverless functions or API endpoints to tell the cloud how your AI should run and respond to requests. You'll use the specific tools and services provided by cloud platforms to make your AI accessible, robust, and capable of scaling seamlessly. It's an exciting skill that empowers you to bring your AI ideas to life for a global audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.